How to Delete Google Play Store Purchase History 2026 Guide. Want to delete your Google Play Store purchase history? Here's the truth first. Important. Google does not allow users to permanently delete Play Store purchase history. However, there are ways to manage, hide, or control visibility of your purchases. Let's go step by step. Can you permanently delete purchase history? No. All purchases made through the Play Store are linked to your Google account for billing, refunds, and security purposes. They cannot be completely erased. Option 1. Hide apps from your library. You can remove apps from your visible list. Steps: open Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon. Go to Manage Apps and Device. Tap Manage. Switch filter to Not Installed. Select the app. Tap Delete from Library, if available. This removes it from your visible history list. Option 2. Delete Google Payment History. Limited. You can manage payment records. Go to pay.google.com. Open Activity. You can view transactions. Some items can be archived, but not fully deleted. Option 3. Contact Google Support. In rare cases, like fraud or legal reasons, you can go to Play Store, Arrow, Help, and Feedback. Contact Google Support. But normal purchases cannot be removed permanently. Quick summary. X cannot fully delete Play Store purchase history. Tick can remove apps from your library. Tick can manage payment activity. And tick contact support for special cases.